Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Hyundai key fob battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. This came out of Hyundai Sonata 2020, but it also used for different years and different models. So first we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pressing this button right here and we pull the key. Alright, now I hope there is enough light. Yep. Right here on the other side, this is where the key came out, and right here I will take a pretty big flathead, okay, and I just pull up, and then you can see the cover comes up. There we go. Pretty easy. Let me show you again. You will see it once you do it, but right here underneath, and you pry up, okay, and here is the battery, as I said, CR2032. I will take it out with a smaller flathead. Okay, try not to touch the chip area. So there it is. This is a good battery, so I'll use it again. You just slide it in, just like that. Take the cover, tighten everything, make sure it's good. Put the emergency key back. And that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.